Hard to think of a place because we live in paradise, right?
We do live in paradise. And, sometimes when we live in paradise, we do have other things that come with it. So we're going to be tracking the tropics. I'll talk about that, Jade, in just a little bit. But here we go. There's a look at the radar. 1 hour time lapse. We've had some on and off showers throughout the day, but some very quick moving showers. As we get a closer look, though, we do have some showers just off the coast there of Palm Beach County, off the coast of Lantana. These kind of inching off towards the west. So we are going to keep an eye out for those heading towards some of their coastal Palm Beach County neighborhoods. And that's going to move on shore, moving off towards the west. Further north of that, much drier conditions from Port St. Lucie down to Hobe Sound. A couple spotty showers just off the coast of Sebastian. Those probably producing some gusty winds. And as they inch closer, again, we're going to keep that rain chance in the forecast throughout the rest of your evening, even the overnight, even for tomorrow. So just hit or miss shower activity, nothing too significant. But right now, looking cloudy Boca Raton, just a few boaters out there today. Temperatures rain cold mid-70s. Do have a southeast wind, 9 miles per hour, recovering from some pretty breezy conditions we had earlier today. Winds will only get stronger later on in that brand new work week. Of course, we are going to experience some tropical influence, which will increase those winds. So that's going to be something that we're going to be looking out for. West Palm Beach, though, earlier today, 85 degrees. Woke up in the low 70s, well above our average. We're getting ready for that sundown. Tomorrow, don't forget, the time does change, so that means our sunsets will be at around 5:30 p.m. So as you go over the next 12 hours there on your first warning planner, we are going to keep the chance for a few hit or miss showers in the forecast, even a few showers by around sunrise. New sunrise time, guys, 6:30. This morning we woke up to the sun at around 7:30, so yep, that big time change, 2 a.m., whether you like it or not. So a little bit of dry air still over us. It's going to prevent some widespread rainfall, but as we take a trip out towards the Bahamas, the Caribbean Sea, there we go. We have some tropical moisture right along here, and this is what we're going to be monitoring for some development in the upcoming days, especially in this area shaded in red to the north of the Bahamas. Now, this moisture, this disturbance is going to track towards the west, towards Florida. Now, we have another system that we're watching. This will move away from the United States. So these two systems right here could become our two next named storms, which are Nicole and Owen. Which will become which, still uncertain, but this one does have a higher chance of developing. So let me show you the American model. So for tomorrow, on and off showers, nothing too significant. Monday, same pattern. By Tuesday, we're going to start to see our weather deteriorating here across South Florida and the Treasure Coast. And then into your Wednesday, Thursday, that's when we should start to feel the impacts. This is the American model. It keeps the circulation of the system right around Martin County, northern Palm Beach County. But then when we take a look at the other model that we do have, the European model, it does take that center of circulation a little bit more broad, a little bigger towards the Keys. So again, still a lot of uncertainty, but we do have a general idea of what the impacts could be here back at home. So tropical moisture moving in, whether it be tropical or subtropical storms, meaning they get their pretty much power from outside sources. You get the strongest winds in the outer bands with subtropical systems. With a tropical storm, with the hurricane, you get the strongest winds in the center of circulation. So again, still a little bit unknown of what this system will become, but we do know widespread rainfall heading our way. Beach conditions deteriorating. We're talking about localized flooding, especially on the coastal areas, erosion, seas up to 15 to 16. I saw a model putting in seas at around 19 feet well offshore, even winds picking up to 45 miles per hour with the stronger gusts at times. So again, tonight, don't forget, we have the time change. Temperatures overnight in the 70s, low 70s inland, and then a few quick showers in the forecast. Beach conditions not looking too good out there. We do have a high rip current risk still. So because of the influence from that tropical moisture we're going to see moving in, whether it gets a name or not, that is why we're declaring Wednesday, Thursday, first warning weather day, so you can prepare, be well at home, be ready for the impacts that we can see back here across South Florida and the Treasure Coast. Jade?
All right, thank you, Brooke. This